Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function set. Hi, Python enthusiasts. Today we're talking about the set function, a versatile and powerful tool for working with sets in Python. By the end of this video, you'll understand what set does, when to use it, and how it can simplify tasks involving unique elements. Let's dive in. What is set? It's a built-in Python function that creates a set object, which is an unordered collection of unique elements. Here's the syntax: set and an optional iterable. The optional iterable argument can be any iterable, like a list, tuple, or string, to initialize the set. If it's omitted, it creates an empty set. The function returns a set containing unique elements from the provided iterable. Why use set? Sets are perfect for working with unique elements and performing operations like unions, intersections, and differences. Key concepts include: sets do not maintain order. They are unordered collections. Sets automatically remove duplicates, so all elements are unique. Sets are mutable. You can add or remove elements, but sets themselves can't contain mutable objects like lists. You can also perform set operations. You can use sets for mathematical operations like union, intersection, and difference. You'd use the set function when you're eliminating duplicates from a collection, when you're performing mathematical set operations like union and intersection, when you want to check membership efficiently, or when creating collections of unique, unordered items. Let's start with a simple example of creating a set. Here, the set function removes duplicate values, leaving only unique elements in the set. You can create an empty set using the set function. Let's see how. Notice that you can't use curly braces for an empty set. It creates an empty dictionary instead. So use the set function to get an empty set. Sets support mathematical operations like union and intersection. Let's see some examples. Here, set allows us to perform operations like union, intersection, and difference efficiently. The set function is also great for removing duplicate characters from a string. The result is a set of unique characters from the string, though the order is not preserved. Here are some important points about the set function. Sets are unordered, so they don't maintain the order of elements. Use the set function for removing duplicates and performing set operations. A set can't contain mutable objects like lists, but it can contain immutable objects like tuples. And that's the set function. To recap, it creates sets of unique, unordered elements. It's perfect for removing duplicates, performing set operations, and checking membership. And sets are versatile tools for many programming tasks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!